A place that needs no introduction. Habibi, welcome to Dubai. Before you dive into this quick 5-day Dubai itinerary, let's prepare you with some important information about Dubai. First things first, let's talk visas. Most nationalities can get a visa on arrival in Dubai, which is super convenient. Dubai's currency is dirham. While credit cards are widely accepted, having some cash in hand is a good idea, especially if you plan on visiting traditional markets. Dubai can get hot, like desert hot. Pack light, breathable clothing, and don't forget your sunscreen, hat, and sunglasses. Getting around Dubai is a breeze. The Dubai Metro is super efficient and affordable, covering most of the city's main attractions. Taxis are also plentiful, and ride-hailing apps like Careem and Uber are widely used. Day 1. Fly to Dubai International Airport, where even the airport feels like a 5-star hotel. Check into your hotel, preferably with a killer skyline view. Then start with downtown Dubai, home to all things extra. First stop, the Burj Khalifa. Take the world's fastest elevator, 10 meters per second, straight up to the 148th floor. The view? Ridiculously stunning. Stay cautious with your phone while taking that perfect skyline shot. Next, stroll over to Dubai Mall, because who doesn't want to visit a shopping mall with a full-sized aquarium, an ice rink, and over 1,200 stores? Even if shopping isn't your thing, watching the Dubai Fountain show outside with water shooting 150 meters in the air will leave you speechless. Wrap up the day at a rooftop restaurant. Atmosphere inside the Burj Khalifa or C'est La Vie, because your first meal in Dubai should come with a side of jaw-dropping views. Day 2. Time to uncover the other side of Dubai, the one with souks, spice markets, and that too in traditional style. Hop on an Abra, traditional water taxi for just 1 dirham. Head to Al Fahidi Historical District, where Dubai's past meets beautifully preserved wind towers, museums, and art galleries. Then, get your bargaining skills ready at the Golden Spice Souks in Deira. Gold shops here don't just sell jewelry, they sell entire gold dresses. Not planning to buy? No worries, just act interested and admire the sparkle. By afternoon, it's time for a desert safari. Buckle up as your 4x4 driver takes you dune bashing through the Arabian desert. As the sun sets, settle into a Bedouin-style camp for a night of camel rides, belly dancing, and Arabic barbecue. Don't forget to try shisha and traditional karak tea before calling it a night. Day 3. After all that sand, it's time for water. Start your morning at JBR Beach or La Mer, where the vibe is chill, the water is warm, and the cafes are Instagram-worthy. If you're feeling adventurous, hit up Skydive Dubai and Free Fall, 13,000 feet above Palm Jumeirah. If jumping out of a plane isn't your thing, head to Aqua Venture Water Park at Atlantis. This place has record-breaking slides, a lazy river that's not so lazy, and a ride that literally drops you through a shark tank. By evening, it's time for something grand. Dinner at the Burj Al Arab. This 7-star hotel is basically Dubai's version of a palace. And if you ever wanted to feel like royalty, this is where you do it. Day 4. This is the ultimate adventure day, because we have saved the most heart-pounding experiences for all adventure lovers. Watch the sunrise over the Arabian desert while floating 4,000 feet in a hot air balloon ride in the air. Drive a Lamborghini, Ferrari, or McLaren on a real racetrack at Dubai Autodrome. Dive into the world's deepest diving pool at Deep Dive Dubai, complete with sunken city ruins to explore. For catching the sunset, head to Skyviews Observatory, where you can walk on a glass-floored sky bridge, or try the Edge Walk, where you're harnessed and walk around a ledge outside the skyscraper. End the day with a romantic overwater award-winning Italian restaurant, Pierchic, a world away from the city, giving the perfect Burj Al Arab views. Day 5. Before you leave, let's squeeze in some final wow moments. First stop, the Museum of the Future. This isn't just any museum. It looks like a giant silver ring covered in Arabic calligraphy and is filled with mind-blowing exhibits about space, AI, and the future of humanity. Then take a yacht cruise from Dubai Marina Because why take a regular boat when you can sip mocktails on a luxury yacht while sailing past the Palm Jumeirah? If theme parks are your thing, this indoor park, IMG Worlds of Adventure, has everything from Marvel superheroes to dinosaurs. Finally, head to Global Village, Dubai's ultimate cultural festival. Travel the world in one place. Shop, eat, and enjoy performances from over 90 cultures. One moment you're buying Turkish sweets, the next, you're watching Bollywood performances. And just like that, 5 days of adventure, luxury, and insane experiences come to an end. Which of these experiences is on your bucket list? Tag your travel squad in the comments and let's plan an unforgettable trip. If you loved this itinerary, like, share, and subscribe to TBO Academy for more epic travel guides.